Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're in the right account and that your device's location services are enabled. This lets Facebook access coordinates. Once done, open the Facebook app or a browser to Facebook. And navigate to your profile page. Tap or click the About or Edit Profile area to find location fields. This immediate action moves you from setup into editing. Make sure you have a reliable connection so the app can suggest nearby places accurately. You now locate the specific place field like current city or places lived and select Edit. This is where you type the location name. As you type, pick the correct suggestion from Facebook's dropdown to attach a standardized place ID. Once selected, use the privacy control to set who can see this change, public, friends, or only me, because that determines visibility. Finally, tap Save. Doing it this way ensures Facebook links the location to exist. To finish, update any individual post locations by opening the post, choosing Edit, and selecting Add Location from the list. If your changes don't show, clear the app cache, update Facebook, or log out and back in. This refreshes cached profile data. If location still fails, verify Facebook has device permission under Settings so GPS access is allowed. One key troubleshooting tip: if suggestions don't appear, try toggling location on and off, and restarting the app to force a requery of nearby places.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.